Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and yourself. This reduces delays in a real emergency. First, open Settings and enable Emergency SOS, then add at least one emergency contact and your medical ID so responders learn allergies and meds. Once done, practice the physical trigger once in a safe setting. Either press the side button 5 times or hold the side and volume buttons depending on model. This initial step ensures the feature works, and that contacts receive location and when you need help, execute the trigger reliably. Press the side button rapidly or hold the side and volume buttons until the SOS countdown appears. You will hear an alert and see a visible countdown. This brief pause lets you cancel if it was accidental. Make sure you let the countdown finish if you need help so the phone calls emergency services and sends your current location and updates to your emergency contacts. If you have cellular loss, Wi-Fi calling or last known location still help responders find you. After SOS connects, stay on the line, follow dispatcher instructions and describe hazards clearly. Keep the phone powered and location services enabled so updates continue to send. Once resolved, inform your emergency contacts that you are safe. If SOS didn't send messages or call, first restart the phone and recheck emergency SOS and location settings. Make sure airplane mode is off and you have network or Wi-Fi. If problems persist, test again in a non-emergency, update OS, or contact the device maker for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.